These short self-development videos from the Andrew Huberman podcast are now gaining popularity, generating up to $80,000 per month in passive income, never showing their faces. In the digital world, people are already using YouTube Shorts to make serious money. It's enough to replace their 9-to-5 jobs. Take action today while it's not too late. This was a series of clips from Andrew Huberman about self-development, such as the truth about caffeine and the impact of mouth breathing on your face. These simple videos podcast gained millions and millions of views. According to Social Blade, this channel brings in up to $86,000 per month. All of this was achieved in just 10 months. Now imagine that you can also upload clips on YouTube every day, and in just 10 months you could potentially earn enough money to say goodbye to your full-time job and live your life, being financially free. In today's video, I will show you how to create a similar channel, leveraging the incredible power of artificial intelligence to automate the entire creation process. Start by visiting Andrew Huberman's YouTube channel and select an episode from the podcast that you think will resonate with your audience. You can choose a popular episode or the latest one. I'll pick this video and copy the link. Next, head over to Opus Clips. It's a generative video tool with artificial intelligence that transforms long conversation videos into viral short videos in just one click. Begin by creating an account if you haven't already. Paste the link to the selected podcast episode on YouTube into Opus Clips. We'll leave the default settings and click Get Clips in one click. With the free trial version, we have 90 minutes of upload time per month, which should give us up to 30 clips. However, if you're serious about this, I recommend considering upgrading to a paid plan for around $19 per month. This will allow you to generate more clips and receive priority in the queue. Let's wait for Opus to work its magic. After approximately 30 minutes, I received an email notification that the clips are ready. Let's check them out. Here we can see the viral rating of each created clip to identify potential videos that might become popular, understand why a video could go viral, and even get an engaging title for us. Click the Edit button for the selected clips. In reality, we'll remove captions here and add them later using a free video editor, and I'll explain this later. Click Save and Compile. Then, download the clip. And now we have a collection of potentially viral clips to work with. It was that simple. With a few clicks, this artificial intelligence tool saved us hours of work. If you agree that artificial intelligence is an innovator for content creators, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like right now so you don't miss anything important. To make our videos more interesting and unique, let's add some AI-generated visuals. Let's start by reviewing the video script in Opus Clips and identifying a few key phrases that we can use as scenes. For this clip, we can use music and the nervous system, and babies respond to music. Now, let's move to Leonardo AI, which is currently one of the best AI art generators. We have 150 free credits every day. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose a model, for example, Dreamshaper V7. Proceed to prompt generation. Insert our key phrase and generate ideas. Here are some ideas for our phrase. Choose the one we like the most. Press Generate. Here's the result. It won't always suit us, so the previous actions can be repeated several times until you find the right option. Next, repeat this for all key expressions. Having done this, we now have several AI-generated images that enhance our video. Now we just need to bring everything together. For this, we'll use CapCut, a free and very convenient video editor. You can download it to your computer or use it online. Create a new project and upload all the files. Drag the main clip down and ensure that the video dimensions are set to 9:16. Then, play the video and carefully place the AI-generated images in their respective positions. Let's enhance the images with cool animations. Experiment with different options to see which animation suits your image. Next, we'll add some effects to make them look even better. Let's move on to captions. We can easily do this by clicking on the Auto Captions tab and hitting Create. Make sure all the captions are selected. Drag the captions to the center of the screen, then change the font. Complete the rest of the caption settings with these parameters. Add shadow and caption animation. Adding captions is an easy way to make the viewer read, increasing engagement just like you're doing right now. Finally, let's quickly create a cover that will serve as a thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. Click Edit Cover. Select the first second of the video, add default text, and paste an intriguing title from Opus Clips. Add a black shadow and outline. Break the words into shorter lines and use yellow and red colors to highlight the title. Then, resize the text to fit the screen. Finally, export the video, leave the default settings, and press Export. Now our video is ready with engaging and visually appealing content. Let's upload our video first before checking the final result. For this, we'll actually switch to our mobile device. This is the only way currently to add viral music from the YouTube Shorts library. This step is crucial to avoid copyright issues with our video. We can also use popular music to increase views. Transfer your completed video to your phone using AirDrop or another file-sharing app. After that, open the YouTube app. Make sure you're signed into your channel and upload the video. Click Next, add sound, and choose the appropriate music for the video. I'll use this to maintain the right balance between the narrator and the music. Click Customize and decrease the volume to around 10%. Tap Next. Insert the viral title from Opus Clips earlier. Congratulations! Your viral short video is ready, and we did it in less than 10 minutes. Before I show you the final result, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. It will motivate me to create even more useful videos like this.
Okay, so the list of incredible things that music can evoke within us by way of how it activates our nervous system and body is starting to grow. And so when we do that, what we do is we start to recruit a huge number of neural circuits that are involved not just in understanding or a sense of empathy for an emotion, but rather that can recruit